Good morning, children. Where did I stop yesterday? I stopped yesterday in the page number 20 after your dress. So, what happened starting? So, the girl she belongs to Gates Avenue. So, the story takes place in the foreign country. Where did the story take place? The stories take place in the foreign country. Foreign country means so there the seasons. How many seasons? Actually, 4 seasons. Now the spring season is going on. In the spring season, the people who are living near Gates Avenue, they are cleaning the areas. They are cleaning in front of their houses, making the garden. They are coloring their houses, and they are using to wear new dresses. They are very happy. They are reflecting your happiness. But the people who are living in the Gates Avenue, but they are not having much money to color their houses. Color means paint their houses or to make gardens in front of their houses, and they do not have any kind of interest also. And in front of their houses there is no payment. No payment means no footpath in front of their houses. And there is how the street is looking. The street is looking very long and dirt. So one a girl which is coming to school from the Gates Avenue, she is very pretty. Pretty means very beautiful. But she comes to school without washing her face, without taking bath, cleaning her, combing her hair. So one day the teacher asked the girl to wash her face and come to school. So the next day the teacher surprised to see the girl. She was looking very pretty after she was combing her hair and washing her face. The next day the teacher suggested the girl, ask your mother to wash the dress. But after the next day she went to school as it is without washing dress. The teacher thought the girl's mother was not interested in that girl. So she said to her, she bought a new dress to that girl. So this is the wonderful. We never heard or we never see such thing. That was happened in this lesson. The new blue dress given by the girl to the teacher. So what happened now? I am going to say. See last paragraph in the page number 20. But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her, the teacher thought. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. So when the teacher gave the blue dress to the girl, how did she feel? She always used to wear dirty dress. She felt very happy and eagerly, probably means completely, she ran away to her home and she was very happy. She showed the dress to her mother. Go to the next page. The next morning she came to school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. She told her teacher, my mother could not believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress. My father wasn't at home, but he will see me at supper tonight. She was full of excitement. See what did the girl say? Teacher, my mother felt very surprised. She did not believe her eyes to look at me that much beautiful. Okay, but my father did not see because he was not there at home. Tonight while eating supper, what is the meaning of supper? We eat food. Actually, morning we eat breakfast. That is morning food. Afternoon we eat lunch. And we eat evening. We eat snacks at 4 o'clock. And 8 o'clock we eat dinner. But late night food, late night meals, it is called as supper. Late night meal. What is meant by supper? Late night meal. So this girl's father, he comes late to home after his work completed. He eats a supper. At that time he can see and he felt excitement. What did the girl said? My father felt excited. What is the meaning of excitement here? Thrill. Excitement means thrill, because I am looking very beautiful in this dress. My father felt very thrill in this dress. When her father saw her in her new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. We are going to begin to be tidier here, his wife said. I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. When her father came to home and he saw, what did he saw? He saw his daughter. He looks very pretty. He did not believe his eyes. He did not know how his daughter is very beautiful. He was very excited to see her and he felt amazed. What is the meaning of amazed? Amazed means surprised. He felt amazed, surprised to see that much beautiful girl that she has. He doesn't know. So he felt excited and amazed. Not only thrilled and surprised also. He had when the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. Now, what did her mother do? The inspiration of the teacher's new blue dress given to the girl, it makes a tremendous change in her mother. What did her mother do? She started to clean her house. She cleaned her, they are very lazy people. They didn't clean even their house, even their wash their clothes. She cleaned her kitchen and even she cleaned her dining table. She kept a cloth on the dining table. Okay, when the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. That was the another part making surprise to him. What did the surprising thing? His wife make a cloth on the dining table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. We were going to begin to be tidy here, his wife said. Then what did, when he looks at the dining tablecloth, his wife said, now onwards we are making our home clean. We are going to be clean. If our daughter is clean, we are also going to be clean. We first we clean ourselves. We take bath, we comb our hair, we wash our clothes, and we clean our kitchen, and later we make garden also. Today this is the inspiration I got. Like that she said, I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. What did she say? In front of our daughter, she is looking very pretty and clean. Why can't we? I am feeling ashamed. Today onwards we follow the cleanliness. Even in ourselves, even in our home and surroundings also. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house for the first time in 10 years. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. For the first time, he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light and no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help. What is the meaning of deserve? Deserve means need. What is the meaning of deserve means they need help. The minister thought. He asked some important citizens in the city to help them during the following week. Following means the next week. What did they do? The man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. Who is the neighbor here? The girl's father. What was the girl's father doing? He went outside of the house. He started to clean the balcony and he was making the garden. It was watching by the neighbor. He watched. After few years, the neighbor watched that. What was he doing? He was cleaning the balcony. So, and by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house. The neighbor also started to work. The whole colony, not only the girl's house, the family, all the families in the Gates Avenue were very lazy people because they do not have enough money. So they became lazy also. They do not have interest in their lives. So they started to show interest now. Inspiring by the girl, her parents are inspired, neighbors are inspired by the family. See what he is doing now, he started to paint his house. For the first time in 10 years, after 10 years, he started to paint. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. After a few days, what happened? Young minister who belonged to the church in that area, what did he do? He was passing, he was going on that way. He saw two men were working in the colony. He felt surprised to see that. He never saw before the people belonging to Gates Avenue were working, but the two men were working there. And he saw at the time only, because the two houses are looking beautiful then, because they are starting to coloring their house. They are starting to cleaning their balconies. Now they are looking beautiful. At that time only, what happened then? For the first first time he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue, no street lights, no running water. Then only notice. What is the meaning of notice? Notice means observed. What did he observe? What he observed, in that area there are no facilities because the houses are clean. Now the dirty is clearly looking for the young minister. What did he observe then? He observed there is no pavement. No pavement. What did I say yesterday? Pavement means footpath. What is the meaning of pavement? Footpath. On Gates Avenue, no street lights. Evening time it is very dark because there are no street lights and no running water. No drainage system also there on the way. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help. So he wanted to help them. So they are in the need of help. So certainly I will help them, he thought. He asked some important citizens in the city to help them. He was young minister of the church. So the people who are living in the cities, the very VIPs, very important persons, those who are rich, he wants to take the help. He wanted to give facilities, provide facilities to the Gates Avenue. Right, children? Next, a few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue. There was a street light on the corner and the houses had running water. 6 months after, the little girl got her new blue dress. Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. See here, first the teacher gave new dress to the girl. Her mother inspired, she made her kitchen. Her father also inspired. What did he do? He started to clean the balcony and he started to paint. The neighbor inspired, he painted his house. The young minister noticed, what did he provide the facilities. Now, because of the girls, the teacher blue dress inspired, what things happened? A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement. What did they do? They construct a footpath in front of their houses in the Gates Avenue. There was a street light on the corner. In that area, in the corner, they arranged a street light also, and the houses had running water. And the young minister provide the drainage system also. Now the area is very clean and tidy. 6 months after the little girl her new blue dress. After 6 months passed, does the new girl got the dress by the teacher. What happened? It creates a tremendous thing in that is tidy and cleanliness. Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens. Before that, the people, they never give any interest, they show any interest, any importance to the people, those who are Gates Avenue. Now Gates Avenue is a respectable colony. The people who are living in the Gates Avenue are respectable people in the colony. When people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own. Organize means began. Organize means started. Organized, started or conducted. Start or conducted. What did they start? The people began to, where people in the other areas, not only in the Cleveland but other cities, other countries, what they start? They started to clean up campaigns. What is the meaning of clean up campaign? Importance of cleanliness. They started to give speeches. So all the people in the area, they started to clean their houses. Since 1930, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. So poverty, because of the people, they do not have interest in their own and in their cleanliness also. But after that girl's new dress, not only the family, the colony, but city, total country, how many? Nearly 7,000 towns and cities conducted campaigns where what did they do? They repair their houses and painting their better lives. Who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? Not only this, but here in India also, our Prime Minister, what did he do? Before last year, we started a Swachh Bharat campaign in India on October 2nd, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Here, every year, we are also in our school conducting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We are cleaning our classes, our school, planting trees. These things we are doing in our school. Okay, not only in our school, in our district, in Andhra Pradesh, throughout India. So, this cleanliness is next to godliness. What do you understand from this lesson? You understood cleanliness. This plays vital role. What is this cleanliness? You will be healthy. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You get this proverb from this lesson. Okay, if you are clean and tidy, God will also help you many ways. So, if you want to reach the God, first you clean yourself. You keep your body clean, you keep your mind clean. Understood? So, this is the lesson. Thank you, children.